Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of changing your primary email on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in. While on the LinkedIn homepage, navigate to the top right corner and click on Me. From there, select Settings and Privacy. On the left-hand panel, click on Sign In and Security, then choose Email Addresses under Account Access. Here, you'll see your added email addresses, including the primary and secondary ones. To add a new email address, click on Add an Email Address. LinkedIn will send a verification code to your current email for confirmation. Once verified, enter your new email address and account password, then click Submit. Upon returning, you'll find multiple emails listed under email addresses. Simply click Make Primary on the one you want to set as the primary email. I recommend removing any secondary or third emails to keep things tidy. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.